I think one of my presentations was on comprehensive MS care, which is trying to improve comprehensive MS care. And so talked about ways that you can really start to make some implementations. So one of those things is about patient monitoring. How do you monitor patients more carefully in your clinic? And so what we're doing is 25-foot walks. So we have it actually built into our center. That we have hardwood, the dark hardwood for 25 feet, and then light tile. So we have 25-foot walks embedded into our center. I also have been using since 2019 a Cog-Eval app to look at cognitive functioning. So it's a processing speed test that is similar to the symbol digit modality test, and it allows patients to look at processing speed. It takes 2 minutes. My medical assistants bring in an iPad, and we get that information. We're also starting to implement biomarkers directly into clinical practice. So we did a pilot with this, and now we are moving forward with checking biomarkers for patients newly diagnosed to see what kind of activity they have, disease activity score, and then we're monitoring patients over time, like some patients that want to discontinue drug or off medication or on a low efficacy drug, and maybe they need to be on a higher efficacy. So we're starting to look at biomarker implementation. I think also to be a great MS center, you need to really start looking at innovative clinical trials, how to push the field forward. So we always want to find those trials that are really going to make a big difference in people's lives. And so talked a little bit about clinical research. And then really it's about the team, who's the team that you assembled. So one of the things that we work on, we have 3 MS nurses that triage patients, and they each have expertise in specific disease modifying therapies, which maximizes safety for patients, and counseling. And we have 4 medical assistants, and having, really the infusion nurses, and having really the right people in place that are passionate about patient care, and working as a team and looking at ways to improve our functioning together.